everyone. My name is Tina Ritzler, and I have the privilege of being the chair of the board of directors here at Trinity High School. I'm talking to you today and asking you to open your hearts and open your giving to give back to Trinity High School on 3/3 Empower Day for our Trinity Blazers. Blazer Nation, we need you. We need your help. This 106-year legacy continues because of support from people like you. Trinity High School, as many of you know, Trinity friends, you know that this is a transformational place. I call it Trinity magic. Every time I'm in the building, I feel it. This is a place where girls get to be who they're meant to be. In the words of St. Catherine of Siena, they get to be who they're meant to be and set the world on fire. This is a place where girls are safe to explore, safe to be themselves, safe to learn, safe to make mistakes. This is a place where girls love each other and where teachers and staff wrap love around girls. Trinity High School is a place where girls excel in every way that a girl can be excellent. It's a place that launches girls into the next chapter of their lives with confidence, with skill, and with some conviction of who they want to be in the world to make it a better place. We're asking for your support. The money that you donate to Trinity High School goes to help girls experience this magic and transform their own lives. And in this world that it can be so loud for teenage girls, so many messages about who they're supposed to be and what they're supposed to do, this is a place where they can pause and quiet and be together in community, in Blazer Nation, and be everything they're meant to be strong. Thank you for your support. We're looking forward to your gifts. Anything you give today is appreciated. $3.33, $33, $333, $3,333. Any amount is not too small or too large. Thank you so much for your support of Trinity High School and for being a part of Blazer Nation.